Like we can upload an audio in our page. So this lesson is similar to audio. So feel free to try to do it by yourself. I hope you managed it. So let's get started and see how it's similar to audio. So here is video tag and also controls attribute. Then the source to add the file from our PC. My directory is the name, my frame, dot, the type which is MP4, and then the type is video forward slash. That's it. So simple. So here is the video, but it takes the whole page. We can control the size. Let me control the size. So the width 200 pixels and the height 2. We can also make it muted and loop. So once the video is over, it will start from the beginning again. Let us see. So we can make it muted, nice, and also we can make loop. So it will start from the beginning again. Also we can make it autoplay. So once when you load the page or open the page, the video will be played. Also we can add a caption or subtitle for this video. So I have a subtitle here in the folder captions, and I have 3 subtitles: English, Indonesian, and Spanish. So to add a subtitle, I will use track tag. So track and then src attribute and the directory of the subtitle. So the directory is caption, and then the name of the subtitle. So for example English, and then the type is BTT, and then an attribute kind, and its kind is subtitle. Those are the kinds of the subtitle: captions, chapters, description, metadata, and subtitles. So ours is subtitle, and then src lang, which is the language of the subtitle, is English. So en, and then label to type the name of the subtitle. So it's English. I'll let we add the Spanish caption. So the same thing, and the src lang is es Spanish. So now we can add a caption. This caption, maybe it's English or Spanish, any caption you can add, but it won't appear in the video because it needs the subtitle to be uploaded to the server. So we can't see it here in our local page. You have to upload this subtitle to the server, then you can add it to the video so the user can use it. But for now, it's good to know how to add a subtitle for the video. So that's everything about how to add a video. We already know how to add a video using an iframe, and we explained this in the iframe lesson. So good luck and see you in other lessons.